What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to cancel Paramount Plus subscription. We'll be showing you how to do this on your phone, your TV, or computer. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this on the different platforms. Now, if you're using an iPhone, you need to go to your settings app, tap your name, tap on subscriptions, and then in your subscriptions, you'll see Paramount Plus. Tap on cancel subscription, and if you don't see cancel subscription, the subscription is already cancelled and won't renew. Tap on confirm. The process is complete for your iPhone. If you're using your mobile device such as an Android, you can go to your phone's web browser, go to this website, which will be in the description below, select the subscription you want to cancel, select cancel subscription, and follow the instructions that follow to complete the process. Now, if you'd like to cancel Paramount Plus subscription for your TV, there are different options depending on the TV you're using. The first is Apple TV. You'll need to go over to settings, then select your account, select subscriptions, and then choose the subscription you want to manage. Look for cancel subscription, and if you don't see cancel subscription, then the subscription is already cancelled, and this will not renew. However, if you can see cancel subscription and you tap on it, you will need to confirm cancellation. If you're using a Fire TV, you'll need to go to memberships and subscriptions on the website displayed right now. This website will be in the description down below for Fire TV. When you get to the website, you'll need to select Cancel Subscription next to the subscription you'd like to cancel. This will take you to Account and Settings page. Find the subscription you wish to cancel and then select Cancel and confirm the cancellation. Now, if you're using a Roku TV, you can go over to support.roku.com. This link will be placed in the description below. Now, when you get to the website, on your home screen, you're going to choose Paramount Plus channel. Press on the asterisk button on your Roku remote, select Manage Subscriptions, and choose Cancel Subscription. If you're using your computer, the same steps for your mobile phone for Android still applies. You can go over to the same website for Android and follow the steps for the Android on subscription. Simply open the browser on your computer, put in the website, select the subscription you wish to cancel, select Cancel Subscription, and follow the instructions needed to complete this process. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.